Hey, I'm Lauren. I'm a senior at the University of Utah. I'm studying film and media arts with a minor in French. I'm also involved in Greek life, student government, and I'm an ambassador for the school. Let's talk about a potentially intimidating subject, applying to college. The Common App makes it easy to apply to the University of Utah and other schools too. I'll help you get started and walk you step by step through the process. Before you know it, those admissions offers will be rolling in. First, navigate to commonapp.org. Get started on your application by selecting the Start Your Application button. On the next page, you'll select what kind of student you are. Only freshmen use the Common App at the U, so we'll start there. Then, you'll fill out your profile information to get you set up with an account on the Common App. Make sure you save your login information. You'll need it throughout the process. Welcome to your home page for applying to college. Here you'll find everything you need to get you to a school that's the right fit for you. Applying to college can be really stressful, but the Common App does the best job of taking away some of the major stress. Let's get acquainted with this homepage. You'll find tabs like My College that will organize the universities you would like to apply to. The Common App tab will be where you upload your information to apply. College Search allows you to find, learn more about, and add colleges you'd really like to apply to. Finally, the Financial Resource tab will help you explore all the different types of aid you qualify for, from scholarships to work-study programs. Now, let's get ready to apply for college.